Hi everybody, it's Jennifer Deal from Keller Williams, Greater Cleveland Southwest. I'm actually here at the office doing my informative videos. And today's question is, are you looking to sell your home? And if so, how do you choose the right agent? Well, one of the most important things you want to look for when picking your agent is, does he or she hire a professional photographer? And this is important because a lot of buyers, they're going online, they're looking at houses, and that practically becomes your first showing. So you want to put your best foot forward. My sellers, when they list with me, they know that they're going to get top-notch photographs because I'm going to hire a professional photographer, get those online, and make sure you've got a lot of traffic coming in. So if you are looking to sell your home, you want some more marketing ideas, feel free to give me a call. My number is 440-732-2232, or you can visit my website at jdealhomes.com. I look forward to hearing from you. Bye.